B for
ball,
C for
cat,
D for
dog,
E for
iPad,
F for
pig,
G for girl
guy,
H for
horse,
I for
tukai,
ice cream
ice cream,
J for coklat
tukai,
K for
kai,
L for
lion,
M for
nest,
mango
bingo,
N for
nest,
O for
opoy,
orange
lions,
P for
people,
peacock
peacock,
Q for
cowboy, green,
R for
A for yours,
S for
S for sunflower,
T for
tiger,
U for
umbrella,
B for
bear,
W for
watermelon,
X for
Christmas tree,
Y for yak Z for Z for
jeepy,
zebra
zebra.
very good